This 2011 4 Winds International Hurricane 33T is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used 4 Winds International is 34 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 6, Slideout, microwave, water heater, stove top burner, TV, LP detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2011 4 Winds International Hurricane 33T is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton V10 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.